Windows play a major role in your home's comfort, efficiency, and overall appearance. In Conway, where weather conditions can shift from humid summers to cooler winters, having reliable windows isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. But how do you know when it's time to replace them? Here are the top signs homeowners in Conway should watch for when considering replacement windows. One of the most noticeable signs is a draft. If you feel a breeze near your windows even when they're closed, that's a clear indication that the seals are no longer doing their job. Drafty windows allow outside air to enter and conditioned air to escape, making your HVAC system work harder. This not only affects your comfort but also drives up your energy bills. Speaking of energy costs, a sudden increase in your utility bills can also signal window problems. Older or damaged windows lose their insulating ability over time. If you've noticed that your heating or cooling expenses are creeping up without a clear reason, your windows may be to blame. Modern replacement windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind, helping you maintain a consistent indoor temperature and reduce monthly expenses. Another key sign is difficulty opening or closing your windows. Windows should operate smoothly and securely. If they stick, jam, or refuse to stay open, it could be due to warped frames, rusted hardware, or general wear and tear. Not only is this inconvenient, but it can also become a safety concern, especially in emergencies when quick exits are necessary. Condensation between glass panes is another red flag. Double or triple pane windows rely on airtight seals to keep insulating gas inside. When that seal fails, moisture can seep in, causing fogging or condensation between the panes. This not only obstructs your view but also indicates that the window is no longer providing proper insulation. Noise pollution is something many homeowners overlook. If you're hearing more outside noise than usual, traffic, neighbors, or other disturbances, it may be because your windows are no longer effectively blocking sound. Replacement windows with modern materials and multi-pane glass can significantly reduce noise, creating a quieter and more peaceful home environment. Visible damage is also a strong indicator that replacement is needed. Cracked glass, rotting frames, or water damage around the window area should not be ignored. In Conway's humid climate, moisture can accelerate the deterioration of wooden frames, leading to mold growth and structural issues. Addressing these problems early with new windows can prevent more costly repairs down the line. Fading furniture and flooring can also point to outdated windows. Older windows often lack proper UV protection, allowing harmful rays to enter your home. Over time, this can cause your furniture, carpets, and even wall paint to fade. Modern replacement windows often include UV-resistant coatings that help protect your interior while still allowing natural light in. Lastly, consider the age of your windows. If your windows are 15 to 20 years old or more, they may simply be reaching the end of their lifespan. Even if they appear functional, they likely lack the efficiency and features of newer models. Upgrading to modern windows can improve your home's appearance, increase property value, and enhance overall comfort. Replacing your windows is an investment, but it's one that pays off in multiple ways, from lower energy bills to improved comfort and curb appeal. If you're noticing any of these signs in your Conway home, it may be time to explore your options and make the switch to high-quality replacement windows.